Divine One, do you feel it? Do you feel the high vibrations? Have you felt the shift into the new world? These frequencies are out of this world. Everything has been shaking inside of me for the last 3 days, and I am just here to tell you, breathe, ground it in, allow it to move through you. Everything is shifting. If you keep holding on to the ways of the old, you're going to resist. Like when you stand in a wave, if you let it crash into your resistance, it knocks you back. But if you swim through it and let yourself move with the waves, everything's going to be easy. The time is here. We are shifting into the new vibration, into the new frequency. This is a time where we let go of hustle, where we let go of rules, where we let go of all of the things that kept us stuck and boxed in. And we are now free. So let yourself soar, let yourself be, breathe deep, ground it in, and enjoy. You've done so much work. You deserve it. And I'll see you on the other side.